Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can connect a wallet to the Web3.Unity SDK so that you and your users can write to the blockchain. Okay, we're now back inside of Unity and the Web3.Unity test class that we have created in the last video is now empty. To showcase how easy it is to connect your wallet, first we need to create a UI canvas. Let's set the UI scale mode to scale with screen size. Let's set it to the full HD. And inside of that canvas, let's just add a prefab called connect to wallet. Make sure that in the search you select either in packages or all. The connect to wallet is a nice script that automates the process of connecting to the wallet for you. It also has this remember me toggle that indicates will the session be stored so that it can be restored once you re-enter the play mode or once you re-enter the game. Let's click on Web3.Unity. And in here we have connection providers that we have populated in the previous video. So we have the Wallet Connect and MetaMask. Let's click on play and see what's happening. So if I click on connect, I will only have Wallet Connect as my connection provider. And that is simply because MetaMask is only used in the actual WebGL builds, while Wallet Connect is used in editor, mobile, and WebGL. Let me quickly connect my MetaMask wallet from my phone to the Wallet Connect. Okay, I have connected my MetaMask wallet from my mobile phone to the Wallet Connect, and in here you can see that this is my public address. I can copy it over so that I can send it to someone or whatever you want to do with it. I can also log out. I'm not going to log out just yet because I want to show you that now, because in the Connect to Wallet we have this Remember Me toggled on, we can come back to the play mode, and after a couple of seconds our connection to the Wallet Connect will be restored. In the future versions of our SDK, the Remember Me will also be part of the UI, but of course, by all means, you can implement that Remember Me feature inside of the UI yourself. Now let's exit the play mode. Let's go into the Web3.Unity test. And inside of the Web3.Unity test, let's add the start method. And inside of it, let's subscribe to Web3.Unity.Web3 initialized event. And let's also, in onDestroy, unsubscribe. Now this object is a tuple, so it has the Web3 instance, but it also has the bool parameter that indicates if the Web3 instance that has been initialized is lightweight. The lightweight instance in our context means that Web3 instance that is passed as the first argument doesn't have bound the wallet itself, but it can only read from the blockchain. So let's debug.log obj.isLightweight, go back into Unity and see the results. And there it is. Now it says false because we have the wallet connected. But if I log out, we will immediately initialize the lightweight version, so the output here will say true. Now let's reconnect the wallet and we're logged back in. Let's just exit the play mode, get back into our IDE. For now, I will create a private bool here and we'll call it isFullWeb3 initialized. I will also add a serialized field, again called contract address, as well as transfer ERC address, because I want to utilize the transfer function from the ERC20. Actually, now that I think about it, I don't need this. I just need to check here if obj.isLightweight equals to false. If it does, let's transfer some ERC20. So let's type in obj.web3.erc20.transfer. The contract address is the contract address. The destination address is the transfer ERC20 address. And the amount is big integer dot POW 10 to the power of 10. The amount is always in way, so I'm using big integer here. Now let's get back into Unity and test this out. I have populated these contract addresses and transfer ERC address. I'm now back in my MetaMask on my mobile device and I am getting the prompt, so let me confirm it. So the transaction has been sent, but I didn't get any sort of notification in the debug log that the transfer has been completed. So let's fix that. To fix this, we need to make this method async and we need to await the transfer method call. So let's call it transfer, because this transfer doesn't basically return anything. Here it says object, but in reality, it doesn't have any return value. We can simply just call here debug.log transfer happened so that we can indicate when the transfer happened. In the future lessons, we'll get introduced to blockchain events so that we can actually get notified when the transfer happened, and we can also get all the details about the transfer. Now let's go back into Unity and test this out again. So I have confirmed the transaction on my mobile phone, and as you can see, we get the log that the transfer happened, and that means that our transaction has been successfully executed on the blockchain. If the transaction was not successfully executed, we would get some sort of an exception here, but luckily for us, everything went smoothly. Now in the next lesson, I will be adding additional login provider, Web3.Auth, so that I can show you how easy it is to add a new login provider. And I think that Web3.Auth is super useful because it also allows your users to use social logins so that they don't have to be crypto savvy or even have any wallet themselves. So I'll see you in the next video.